So I'm in my modules and I want to find the module for August 12th through 16th. So I will scroll down until I see that module. Here it is, August 12th through 16th, Characteristics of Mythology. Now I want to open the reading assignment, Introduction to Mythology assignment. Here it is, and notice it's got this eyes icon. That tells me this is something I need to read with my eyes. So I click the link to open this page. So once I've opened the page, I'll see some background information, but to actually read the assignment, I have to click the link where it says read the myth here. So I'm going to click that link now. So this question asks me, what is the first sentence on page 2 of the myth, The Beginnings of the Messiah? So I'm on the myth, but notice this is page 1. To get to page 2, I simply click the arrow. And now I'm on page 2, and I see that the first sentence is right here. In the very beginning of the world, Enki was the only god, the guardian of rain, fertility, sun, and love. That is the first sentence of page 2 for this myth, The Beginnings of the Messiah.